Finding target angle on bow when target course is known. This is probably one of the more common uses for the historical attack disc device. Say you know target course based on plotting, for example, over time, and you'd like to derive the angle on bow in order to set the TDC appropriately, since target course is not an input in the German TDC, but rather angle on bow is. So let's look at an example. Say our own course is 040. The relative bearing to the target is 50 degrees from our bow, and the target course is 170. We want to find the angle on bow. The first step, and this is true of all uses of this device, is to set our own course opposite the white triangle under 180 degrees on the relative bearing ring by turning the compass rose to align it as shown here. 040 is set. Next, we go to the lead angle with bearing arm and we set the relative bearing of 50 degrees on the relative bearing ring as such. Now, the only thing that remains is to set the known value of target course to 170 degrees. And so, we rotate the angle on bow disc, and at the enemy pointer, we point that to 170, like so. Now, we go back to the bearing arm and look at the angle on bow pointer and read off the angle on bow at the tip of the triangle. The angle on bow for this particular fact pattern is 100 degrees right. It's 100 degrees right because we see the color on the angle on bow ring is green. We are looking at the target's starboard side. If it were red on the other side, we know we would be looking at the target's port side.